Hello, this is Asish Pani from section 15 and my roll number is 21ME10016. My third DIY assignment is deassembling of a mouse. So let's start. This is the Amazon Basics mouse I'm going to reassemble as my DIY assignment number 3. First of all, let me show you the mouse is in working condition. As you can see, the red LED is glowing fine and it is indicating that the mouse is in working condition and power is being supplied to it. Now let me show you my laptop screen where I can show you the movement of cursor by this mouse. Now you can see that in my laptop screen the cursor is also working fine, indicating that this mouse is in perfectly working condition. Now let's start deassembling the mouse so that I can show you the parts and the working principle of the mouse. Now let me explain the working principle of this mouse. First of all, this is a 5mm red LED that generates a red light. That red light passes through this lens and by this reflector it hits the surface on which the mouse is kept. And after the movement of the mouse, the reflected light again hits this lens, and through this lens the light travels to this photo sensor. This photo sensor is responsible to measure the intensity of light hitting it and create analog signals for the movement of the mouse, like how much it has moved in x-axis or in y-axis. Then those analog signals are converted into digital signals, and via this USB port, that is, you can see that there are 5 wires on this port, the information is traveled to the laptop where the cursor responds to the information and moves as for the digital signals. Now let's come to the scroll button. This is the scroll button and here it is attached, where the movement of the scroll button or how many times it is scrolled is measured, and that information is converted to digital signal and it is traveled through this to the laptop. Now let's come to these buttons and their functions. One of the buttons is for right click and the other one is for left click, and the last one, this button is used by the scroll button to give a continuous scrolling option on laptop or desktop. Now let's assemble the mouse again. Now you can see that after assembling the mouse is in perfectly working condition as the red LED glows, and also let me show you the cursor in my laptop screen. Now you can see that the cursor is working perfectly in my laptop screen, indicating that the mouse is in perfectly working condition. So that's all for my DIY assignment 3. Thank you.